Okay. Let me take these
Alright,
off.
we have to leave the door open.
Okay, just in case.
Okay. Oh my god.
We might die. We might die.
If I die, I love you. All of you.
Pray for us.
Okay. Dang, my hair is messy. Okay.
I'm just picking my nose.
There's a bucket in the garage.
Why are we doing this? It's fun.
Bucket's in here!
No, it's fucking not. You're
Oh my
fucking
god,
not.
get over here.
Holy shit! No, that's a different one. That one's a different color. The other one was brown.
Same one, it flew right into the air.
Are you sure? Okay, pause it. Just go and put a bucket in it. Why? You're doing screaming little bitches and ran. We were like, ah! I wonder what Dad thinks. Okay.
Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Ready? This bird is oh my, it's looked right at me. Are you taking pictures?
Here, do you want me to come bring the video camera in here?
Yeah. Okay. Watch.
The bird went into the garage. Okay, here we go.
Flip the screen so you can get a better view.
Hey, how do I flip the screen on a
There's something in
video?
the top right-hand corner.
There's not
Are you
one.
ready?
For a video, there's not one.
Hurry.
Okay,
Give
here.
me
Here.
Here. If I lose this bird because of you. Oh, well, it's because we're already recording. Just make sure it can see me.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna scream.
Oh shit! I'm good.
Oh my god! Get it in here. Get it in. Every time it moves, it just freaks me out. Oh my god, this poor thing. I need a bow and arrow. It'll be like Katniss.
Who's Katniss?
Hunger Games, bitch.
Oh, it's her, I think.
Oh
Oh my god, it's coming for me.
Okay. I'm gonna try something.
Maybe Dad should call like someone. He's looking at me.
Okay. You have that big thing, right?
Yeah, it's staring into my soul right now. Oh shit.
Just wait until I get it in the exact right
Dude, I'm
spot.
really scared. What if it bites me? What if it gives me herpes?
It has a little beak.
Oh, it's
Just
really
has a
big,
little
baby.
beak. It'd be like
shark. It's a
right?
shark beak.
It is really sharp.
Okay, just go for it.
But it's what if it falls in that box and then it can fly back out? Okay,
It's coming.
that's Shelty, get back in here. That's what we wanted. It's what we wanted, babe. That's what we wanted.
It's not
Watch. Look. We've got this.
No, you don't. I'm fucking scared.
Right now, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, go let it outside.
Got it.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay, get Dad and Quincy.
Dad, we caught it! Come on. We are.
Dad, come watch us like go get the camera. Look at the camera. You gotta get the thing up. Dad, Quincy, come here.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Okay. Yeah, we got it.
I wish
We got it.
would have been on video because that was best.
Our first attempt was scary. Wait.
Okay,
Make sure the door.
We need to name it.
Look, its face is in there.
What are, oh, it's little face.
Look. Oh, hi. Say hi. Yeah, we got you.
What are we gonna name it?
Henry.
No.
Satan.
Kill a Mockingbird.
Wait.
Lenny.
What's the little girl from To Kill a Mockingbird? Is her name Kit? What's her? Ask Dad. What's the girl from To Kill a Mockingbird?
Lenny. Let's name it Lenny.
No. What's the girl? Someone Google it.
Oh God,
die.
Katrina, look.
It's really coming out.
It's really coming.
Okay. Are we ready?
Hold on. Wait. Let me make sure we can see the release. Can you see it yourself in here?
I hope it attacks
Yes.
Okay.
ready?
Close the door, Quincy. Ah! You're hurting it. You're squishing it. Ah! Keep going.
Oh my God! It's just sitting there.
Okay.
Oh my God. Look at the little birdie. I think it's hurt. Oh, you guys.
It's gonna poop on our cars now, Katrina.
That's okay if it poops on my car. It probably pooped all over our house.
We got it. That was the scariest thing that's ever happened to me.
Yes, I am very brave.